Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to give you non-VIP hack on dress to impress. Okay, for today's video guys, I'm going to create a stunning long dress. So first of all, I'm going to go to the dressing room. Okay, I'm gonna enter the dressing room and I'm going to pick a gown from the coats. You can use this gown. If you don't have this one, you can redeem a code called fashion, but I don't know whether this code is still working or not. You can try it. Just try to enter fashion in the code menu. Okay, and the second one, I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the skirt. You can use the skirt to create a stunning long dress. You can get this skirt by buying the item in the witch set. Okay, you can go to this menu and you can buy the witch set here. Okay, and I'm going to exit, and this is the final looks. Okay, and then for me, I'm just going to color it black to make it more elegant. Alright, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a stunning long dress on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!